I made this video for affiliates or anybody interested in making extra money online from affiliate marketing. Now, as I'm sure many of you know, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways for a regular person to make extra money online, because you don't have to create any products, you don't have to support any products. All you really need to do is grab your link and promote that product, and then you make a percentage of the sale price. So when somebody purchases through your link, then you make a commission. Now, it sounds easy, and it basically is easy, but you still have to promote that product. You still have to come up with promotional materials in order to make that sale. So to convince somebody to buy through you, you have to promote it properly. And you know, for the last, well, I've been doing this for the last 15 years. So for the last 15 years, or probably the last 12 actually, we've always had to come up with our own promotional materials, which takes time. It takes quite a bit of time if you're not used to doing this. However, you know, over the last couple of years, maybe 2, 3, AI has really stepped in and made the process that much easier. Having said that, you still have to put the best information into AI to get the best promotional materials out of AI. So it's like you've probably heard online. If you put rubbish in, then you get rubbish out. And if you're promoting with rubbish, then you're not going to make a cent. So logging into AI is the way most people do it these days, but there's actually an easier way. So instead of logging in, you can actually have AI where you work. And what that means is you can have a little app on your browser called Affiliate Autopilot. So you don't have to log into AI, you don't have to try and figure out which prompts to put in, because this little app is pre-configured. So you just go to the website that you want to promote, so the sales page for the product that you want to promote, go to that page, highlight the content, and the app does the rest. It already has the prompts built in, and this is really, really useful if you're just getting started, or even if you're a seasoned affiliate. This will save you a great deal of time. Now, you're going to see this in action in just a moment, but before we get to that, let me show you a number of additional bonus products that you can get access to today. So I've created a congruent bonus stack which will give you the edge. And the first is, hopefully you can see one here. On the next page, you'll see full details of this. So, affiliate launch email swipe vault. Now, there's 50 of these. If you've ever tried to create an email from scratch, then you'll know that staring at a blank page is very difficult. So this is basically fill in the blanks, and there's 50 of them. It will cover every eventuality, so you'll never be lost for words again. And then, let's see, there's this one here, the Fast Bonus Creation Playbook. Again, you'll see the full details on the next page. Now, this is about creating bonuses to go with an offer, so any offer that you're promoting. And rather than just being information on how to do it, what I've done is I've built this with prompts included. So you can just feed the prompts into ChatGPT or Claude or whatever you use, and it will create the bonuses for you. So bonuses congruent to whatever product that you're promoting. And I'm sure there's many of you watching right now that like creating review pages for products. So what I've done is I've created this product for you. Again, it includes prompts. So if you're new to this, then you just need to open this up, feed the prompts into ChatGPT or again Claude or whatever you use, and that will save you a great deal of time. Let's see, what have we got next? All of these, like I say, all of these are congruent to the product. This one, you're going to love this one, especially if you like AI, and if you're looking at the product that we're talking about, then AI is the name of the game. So an AI prompt pack. So this one here, don't forget, you can see them all on the next page. So that is full of prompts for pretty much everything in terms of affiliate marketing. And lastly, if you need more traffic, I've included this one as well. So Affiliate Traffic Acceleration Playbook. Go through that, follow the steps. It will enable you to get more traffic to your offers. And when you can get more traffic to your affiliate offers or any promotions that you're running at the moment, then you stand to make more money. So all of those bonuses are available with this product. They're all congruent with this product. Now, let me show you the product in action.
Let's have a quick run through of how the extension works so you can see how easy it is to get to grips and start using it right now. Okay, so now I've come over to a sales page, and all I'm going to do is highlight the main part of the sales copy for this product. So after the testimonial here, we've got the problem. I'm just going to highlight all of this, scroll down, the solution, 6 steps, the workflow, what it looks like, and some more information about what it is. Picture this in your own work, build structures for your work, and let's get down to here. So I've highlighted quite a large section of this sales page, of the copy, of the heart of the offer and the product. And all I need to do now is right click and choose Affiliate ProfitPilot AI, and then choose which of these different options that I want to run. So let's start with the quick offer summary. I'll click on that and it will go away and start doing the work. Now it will take a little while to run through and do this because it's running all that information through the API. So it will take a few seconds to come back. There you go. You saw how quick it was. It can vary. It can be 5 to 10 seconds. It can be up to 30 seconds to run some of these tools on the page. Generally, it's pretty quick. So this is the quick offer summary. It's summarized this offer for me, what the product is, who it's for, the main problem it solves, the core promise, the key features, the strongest benefits, the main differentiator, price and offer details, best promo angle, and a 1-paragraph quick summary. Now I can save that as a markdown file, or I can simply click on copy and take it over to my email system or Facebook post or whatever I want to do with it. It's all there ready to go. Okay, so that's the first one. And as this is a demo tutorial, I'm not going to run through every single option under Affiliate ProfitPilot AI, but I will do some more as examples. So let's go with find promo angles. Again, choose the option, let it do its work, and it'll take a few seconds to run through and create the information that we're looking for. And again, as you saw, it was pretty quick there to complete it. So we now have a different promo angles available for this offer. So we've got an angle named Speed Advantage and the details of that particular angle. We've got another one for a simplified workflow angle, another one for time-saving solution, and it just runs through a whole selection of potential promotional angles that we can use for our promotion. If I scroll down to the bottom, it should also have the best overall angle and the best secondary angle. And again, I can copy this or I can save it as a markdown file. So let's quickly do a couple more. Again, right click, choose Affiliate ProfitPilot, come across and choose which one we want to look at. So for this, I'm going to go with find bonus ideas. Again, let it run and do its job. It'll take a few seconds. And there we go, it's come up with our bonus ideas for this offer. So we've got a bonus title, what it is, the problem it solves, why it complements the offer, recommended format, and fast version to create, and a perceived value score. And if I scroll down, you can see that we've got a selection of different bonus ideas, quite a few of them. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see it has a top 3 bonus recommendations and a suggested bonus stack. Again, copy it, save it as an MD file, whatever you need. Let's close that down and do one more. Just right click, Affiliate ProfitPilot AI, and let's go with the option to build a review page outline. Again, it'll go away and do the work. The point here is it's doing this work while you're on this page. You're not having to head over to a separate AI tool, to ChatGPT or Cowork or wherever else. It's all done right here on the page. And you can see that came up really quickly. And we've got a complete outline for an affiliate review page for this product. The review page headline, opening problem, quick verdict, what the product is, who created, who it's for, what's included, how it works, main benefits, strengths, possible limitations, bonuses, price and value, guarantee, FAQ, and the final verdict with a call to action. Again, click on copy, save it as a markdown file, whichever you need, and it's done and ready to use. So you can use Affiliate ProfitPilot on any sales page, any bit of any JV page, any offer document, anything like that, and you use it directly in the browser and just right click, choose the option that you want, and it goes away and does the work right here for you immediately. It saves you a massive amount of time and messing around from different pages, different tools, different bits and pieces and different systems. You've got it right here where you work. So that's Affiliate ProfitPilot AI from AI Where You Work. You can see how quickly you can use AI within your browser, within the pages that you're on, without having to jump around between different pages and tools. So it saves you a massive amount of time. You are using AI Where You Work.
So as you've just seen there, this is the perfect tool for anybody that does any kind of affiliate marketing. Now that's affiliate marketing with absolutely any product. So it doesn't have to be in the side hustle or biz op space. If you're in the health industry, if you're promoting health products, for example, or pet products or anything you like, it will work with those products because it sits on your browser. So it's like having, say, ChatGPT, the platform, attached to what you're actually doing at this very moment in time. So if you're promoting, say, a health product today, you might be looking at the sales page for that specific health product that you want to promote. And then all you do, as you've just seen, is highlight the main details of the page, or highlight the whole page if you like, and the app or the extension that sits on your browser will create everything you need for your promotion. And don't forget, there are multiple products that I've just mentioned, or I mentioned earlier on before the demo, that complement this product, which are available through me. So if you are interested in this product, if you can see it saving you a great deal of time, if you can see it aiding you make more money and get more results online, then check out the details below. And those details below also include more details on the additional bonuses that I'll be including with this product.